हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम अमाद मी एंड वेलकम बैक टू अनदर यूट्यूब वीडियो। आज की वीडियो में हम लोग वियर्ड फूड कॉम्बोस ट्राई करेंगे। एक ही गो में सारा पीना है। I have Hamza and Ayan with me। तो कॉम्बोज हैं जो हमने आज तैयार किए हैं, as you guys can see हमारे सामने पड़े हैं। So मैं इन सब चीज़ों के नाम लूँगा, guys just check this off the list कि हमारे सामने पड़ा है या नहीं, so that हमारी viewers को भी पता चल जाए we have that। So we have pizza,
We got it.
peanut butter, fried chicken,
Maple syrup. Yeah.
maple syrup, vanilla ice cream, biryani, jellies, cereal, and juice. Then we have ketchup. This is more like green chili and garlic sauce chili. Then we have Coke. We have
No, we got Sting.
Sting. Sorry Coke, don't get to sponsor our video. Then we have noodles. Yes, we have Nutella. We have raita and we have Cheetos and milk. So this is how it's gonna go. हम लोगों ने ये पर्चियाँ ड्रॉ की हुई हैं सारी फूड आइटम्स की, और इनमें से हम 2 at a टाइम निकालेंगे और जो भी वो 2 होंगी उनका कॉम्बो हमने खाना है। Alright, so you guys ready? Also, once we eat it, तो हम तीनों उसको रेट भी करेंगे कि हमारे accordingly how bad or good it was. Are you guys ready?
Yes. If you get biryani and raita, we get to eat that, right?
Yes, if we get biryani and raita, then we get to eat that. So
What about vanilla ice cream and garlic?
obviously जो भी निकलेगा हमें खाना है। Alright जी, एक पर्ची तुम निकालो,
Okay, so
एक पर्ची तुम देखे बगैर। Okay, पहले एक एक करके बताओ क्या है।
So-
यार, what do you have?
cola jellies.
Cola
Maple
jelly.
syrup.
Maple syrup and cola jellies. Oh my god. Sugar rush. Too much sugar rush. Okay. Here goes nothing. On the jellies. Oh.
It's good.
Yeah, actually it's not bad.
It's good.
You can wash off the maple syrup.
It's good. अच्छी तरह। I think not bad at all.
I guess the cola jelly is too overpowering the maple syrup, so it's
Maple syrup का after taste है end में, but once you've eaten almost all of the jelly, so मेरे accordingly like it wasn't that bad.
We can do that again.
We can do that again. I think it's probably 8 out of 10.
Yeah. Mine is I guess 7.
7. What about you, Hamza?
8.
8 out of 10.
Now I guess you should choose.
Okay. ले जी. Juice.
Yes.
Juice. And raita.
Okay.
Juice and raita.
So what type of mocktail are we doing?
I have absolutely no idea, but मुझे बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं लग रहा।
Disappointment.
तो जी ग्लास आगे आगे कर दो। यार ये देखने में इसका रंग क्या लग रहा है? Sorry. ये रायता खत्म हो गया। I was hoping कि बिरयानी के साथ रायता आएगा। Cheers. अच्छा एक मिनट, एक गो के अंदर सारा पीना है।
No.
एक ही गो,
No, that's
नहीं,
not.
एक ही गो में सारा पीना है। Let's
Okay,
go.
okay.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh. Ah. Oh. Pathetic.
The worst drink I've ever had.
Oh. Minus
So we
0.
got peach juice and raita.
I'm gonna rate it a 1.
0.
0.
जीरो पीच जूस एंड ओफ यार बहुत गंदा आफ्टर टेस्ट है। So we have 7 combos. I think we're down with 2. ले जी, हमजा आप announce करें पहले क्या है?
So we got Coke.
We got
And
Coke.
we got vanilla ice cream. It's actually Sting, not Coke.
ये ले जी, रूह अफ़ज़ा बन गया है वनीला आइसक्रीम के साथ और वो जम के ओह गॉड ले बॉयज
Should we go ahead?
एक्चुअली
I like it.
इट्स नॉट दैट बैड बट ये स्टिंग है और ये स्टिंग का ये वाला फ्लेवर है विच आई थिंक शायद अच्छा लग रहा है वनीला आइसक्रीम के साथ
It's good. I like it.
It's got a good balance to it.
है ना इट हैज और मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है मैं शायद इस तरह के फ्लेवर की कोई आइसक्रीम खा चुका हूँ No?
It actually
Raspberry type.
Raspberry type
Yes,
कोई
yes,
sherbet हो
yes. We
So-
cracked the code.
We cracked the code. I think 6 out of 10.
I would rate it an 8. I kind of like it.
For me, it's a 6. Hamza, what about you?
I definitely enjoy raspberry ice cream more, so 5.
5.
So we have garlic sauce.
Wait, hold on. You're not taking out any more chips.
मेरे combos worse.
No.
So it's garlic
Sauce number 1.
Hey, it's actually garlic and green chili sauce.
And biryani.
Oh, okay. This is perfect. Perfect.
मुझे क्यों
Let's
लग रहा
jump
है
right
कि इतना
into
बुरा
it.
नहीं
मुझे भी
लगेगा.
लग रहा
Let's
है.
jump
I
right
was
into it.
expecting
मुझे लग रहा है
garlic
बुरा
sauce and
लगेगा.
ice cream.
That's the idea. I mean, it's okay. Comes down to personal preference. क्योंकि personally I like my biryani really simple. At max मैं उसके साथ रायता खाऊंगा. But ये green chili वाली sauce जो है वो जो बिरयानी का taste है उसको overpower कर रही है and I don't like that at all.
You done? That's what I think.
4 for me.
4? Yeah, I think it's yeah, probably 4.5 or 4 for me. I don't like the sauce on my biryani.
3.
3?
I mean, it's biryani. Bro, you're not taking out.
मैं नहीं निकाल रहा हूँ मैं देखे बगैर हम सब देखे बगैर
Peanut butter.
Noodles.
No.
And just so we are clear, what flavor of noodles is this?
What flavor is this, Nadia?
It's chatpata.
Cheese chutney.
Cheese chatpata noodles.
chatpata.
So we have
With peanut
cheese
butter.
chatpata noodles with peanut butter on top. That is not how you eat your noodles.
Mix it up. Mix it up.
Nahi. Hamza will go first.
Very weird. It's like this is bad. Sting?
I love noodles. Everyone loves noodles. One of the best snacks that you have at home. And same goes with Nutella. But these two things just cannot go along. Yeah, this is a big no for me. Taste इतना बुरा नहीं था, but still the combo was so freaking weird.
Yeah.
The texture you get in your mouth.
Oh, it's
that
really
is-
bad.
that is-
It's actually like eating sand or
पता
something.
नहीं क्या खा रहे हो चिपक के क्या मुंह के अंदर जाके because obviously Nutella but साथ ही आपको एक अजीब वो खट्टा सा
Dusty likes it.
Oh god.
Who?
Dusty.
I think I'm gonna rate this 3.
It's a 2 for me.
Means अपना after taste ठीक करने
0.
के लिए I'm just gonna have 1 bite. 0 for Hamza. Alright. What do we have next?
I mean, I can live with that, but consistency?
No, it's just
No, that's
एक होता है ना कुछ खट्टा कुछ मीठा.
nah.
ये कुछ बहुत खट्टा
और
और कुछ बहुत मीठा था. Pizza. Yes. Yes. Everybody loves pizza.
Okay. No.
Oh,
Pizza
yeah.
with cereal? खाएंगे कैसे?
We're gonna top the cereal of the pizza.
Pizza with cereal. Okay. So proper.
Yeah.
So ये every inch Coco Crunch ऐसे लग रहा है pepperoni topping है. Chocolate pepperoni baby. एक second. Just want to show this in the camera. This is how chocolate pepperoni looks like. I will take the first bite.
I can't wait anymore. मतलब
Same.
पिज़्ज़ा है.
Pizza है. Very weird. Definitely weird. मेरे taste buds काम करना बंद कर दिया.
Same है.
I think I'm lost.
I'm not.
I just taste the pizza and the sauce.
Cereal का taste नहीं आ रहा.
हाँ.
Cereal डालो तो सही ऊपर.
गिर गया था.
खाली pizza खाई जा रहा है. कह रहा I don't feel.
गिर गया.
हाँ,
Cereal
गलत.
just adds the crunch.
हाँ. तो ये कुछ सॉर्ट ऐसा लग रहा है जिंगर पिज्जा खा रहे हैं.
Not even close.
I think we're expired. है.
I think we just ate expired cereal. No, it's not.
I think that's where the crunch comes from.
It's not expired. Not bad. Cereal just adds the crunch to your pizza. So if you like crunch, you like it. I think that's a 7 for me.
It's a 5 for me.
Thumbs up.
7.5.
7, 7.5. Okay.
You get to eat fried chicken.
And
It's okay.
milk,
No.
fried chicken and milk. यार एक पीस सिर्फ खराब करते हैं ताकि बाद में हम
enjoy कर सकें.
Exactly. The bowl. Fried chicken.
Going in.
Dip it properly. Soak it up. Soak that baby in milk. Come on. मैं खाऊं पहली बाइट.
If you want, I can go. Have from here.
You're taking away all the crunch.
That's unfair.
Bro, I still have.
You can give it to me if you don't want to eat.
What's that? है?
Thumbs up.
Childhood memories.
Oh God. कैसा childhood था तुम्हारा?
Bro, you know when you've got leftovers, fried chicken?
This is the first thing जो खा के उल्टी जैसी वो जो दूध का टेस्ट है वो दूध का टेस्ट जा ही नहीं रहा था. वो और बहुत स्पेसिफिक
It's
जिंदगी में बहुत स्पेसिफिक सी चीजें हैं जहाँ पे आप दूध पी सकते हो और उसका टेस्ट एक्सेप्टेबल होता है आपकी जिंदगी में. This is clearly not one of them. Zero, a big
Minus
big freaking zero for me. Hamza, definitely Cheetos और क्या है?
I don't know. Nutella?
Oh, Cheetos and Nutella.
Let's dig right.
And Nutella.
Let's dig right.
Again, baby. Sure.
I don't think anything can go wrong with Nutella.
That's true. It's not bad.
It's just Nutella, to
You know-
be very honest.
I've never liked ketchup flavor,
है ना?
but I do like it now. मतलब
The Cheetos puffs हैं and they're not that bad. I like it. बड़ा interesting snack है यार ये. Really good.
It is.
Cheetos and Nutella. Surprisingly.
pass the good stuff.
I think that's a 9 for me.
Same.
I think अभी तक का जो worst combo था ना,
That was milk and fried chicken.
milk and fried chicken
And juice and raita.
Juice and raita. These are the two combos that won today. Thank you Hamza and Yaar. Thank you everyone for watching. Don't forget to like the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.